Wave hello to convenience. Moen pull-down faucets featuring MotionSense were thoughtfully designed for you. Our innovative hands-free faucet responds to what you need when you need it, making kitchen tasks faster and easier than ever. MotionSense faucets also feature reflex technology, providing smooth operation, easy movement, and self-docking. Moen made every effort to ensure that MotionSense is quick and straightforward to install. No complicated sub-assembly is required, and no electrician is needed. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install our Stow pull-down faucet with MotionSense. This MotionSense faucet has a black control box. If your control box is another color, please review the other MotionSense install videos. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the hot and cold water inlets for your kitchen faucet. They're usually located in the cabinet or space below the faucet. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, adjustable pliers, tape measure, and safety glasses. If you're installing the extension kit, you'll also need a drill and appropriate drill bits. Step 2. Determine where to install the control box. The control box was designed to attach to the faucet shank. Before removing your old faucet, make sure there is enough room for it below the sink. If there isn't enough space, you can mount the control box to a wall using a service kit. Simply call 1-800-BUY-MOEN to order the kit. Step 3. Mount the faucet body to your countertop or sink. Slide the deck gasket over the data cable and faucet shank and align it to the base of the faucet body. Then insert the data cable and shank into the mounting hole. If there are multiple holes, you'll need to install the deck plate, which may be included with your faucet, before sliding it into place. Place the deck plate and its gasket on the sink or countertop so it covers the holes you don't need. Make sure the handle is on the right and the spout is facing you. Then slide the mounting washer onto the faucet shank. Make sure the data cable is in the curve of the washer. Thread the mounting nut onto the faucet shank with your fingers. At the countertop or sink, make sure the faucet is positioned properly. Below, tighten the nut with the provided installation tool. Inserting a screwdriver at the end of the tool makes tightening easier. Step 4. Install the control box and connect the hoses. Thread the hose guide nut onto the faucet shank. Then simply snap the control box onto the right or left of the hose guide nut, adjusting the angle if needed. Some models require a hose swivel cover on the pull-down hose. Install the cover by sliding it over the small end of the pull-down hose and pushing it over the swivel until it snaps in place. Feed the small end of the pull-down hose into the spout and through the faucet body. Below, remove the protective cap on the end of the hose. Connect the pull-down hose to the control box with our innovative Duralock Quick Connect system. Simply insert the hose into the connector. An audible click indicates a secure connection. Now attach the water supply lines. The hot supply line, which has a white tag, should be threaded to the hot water inlet. Secure the connection with an adjustable wrench. You want the connection to be snug, but don't over-tighten. Attach the cold side in the same way. Step 5. Attach the spray wand and hose weight to the pull-down hose. Remove the protective cover on the end of the spray wand. Make sure the O-ring and screen are in place. Thread the spray wand onto the pull-down hose. Tighten it with an adjustable wrench just until the hose nut is flush with the wand. Be careful not to over-tighten. Notice the tag on the hose weight. It explains where to place the weight for optimal performance. Remove the tag before installation. Find the white hose weight locator mark on the pull-down hose. The hose weight should be placed between this mark and just above the loop curve in the hose. Use adjustable pliers if needed. Step 6. Install the battery holder. The control box is powered by batteries. Before mounting the battery holder, make sure the wire can reach the bottom of the control box. Remove the battery holder cover. Insert the 6 AA batteries included in the product box and replace the cover. The battery holder can be attached to a wall with two-sided adhesive. Place one side of the adhesive on the battery holder and the other side on the wall. It can also be mounted with a screw. For added flexibility, an optional AC adapter is available as a service kit. Simply call 1-800-BUY-MOEN. Step 7. Insert the data cable and battery wire into the control box. The data cable is the link between the faucet and the control box, sending valuable information back and forth. Insert the data cable into the data port on the control box. Before connecting the battery wire, remove the protective labels on the Wave and Ready sensors. Also, make sure no objects are within 3 feet of the sensors. This will ensure a proper startup. Once you plug the battery wire into the control box, the blue light on the front of the faucet will flash twice. This indicates the MotionSense hands-free system is beginning its startup process. Under the sink, turn the hot and cold water inlets back on. Your faucet is now ready for hands-free activation. Make sure the Wave and Ready sensors work properly before moving on. If needed, the Wave and Ready sensors can be disabled at any time. To disable the Ready sensor, turn the water on with the handle. Hold a hand over the Wave and Ready sensors for 5 seconds. The Ready sensor light will flash once, indicating that it's disabled. Turn off the handle. To enable the Ready sensor, follow the same steps. To disable both sensors, turn the water on with the handle. Hold a hand over the Wave and Ready sensors for 10 seconds. After 5 seconds, the Ready sensor light will flash once. At 10 seconds, it will flash twice, indicating both sensors are deactivated. You can now turn the handle off. To enable both sensors, follow the same steps. The Ready sensor light will blink twice when they're enabled. The last step is cleaning up. In order for the spray wand to function properly, the area around the hose should be clear of any cleaning supplies or other obstacles that might inhibit hose movement. If needed, use the included zip ties to straighten up the area. Do not include the pull-down hose in a zip tie. Be sure to review the MotionSense Quick Start Guide included in the product box. It overviews everything you need to know about your new faucet. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a pull-down faucet with MotionSense is fast and easy with Moen. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.